Welcome to Prague. I'd love to show you this beautiful city from the unique perspective of our river cruises. Get amazing views of the iconic Charles Bridge and the majestic Prague Castle from the comfort of the boat decks, while enjoying the food and beverage services we offer from the galley. Whether you're an individual or a group, you can enjoy a wide selection of services and cruises. Our desire is to help create beautiful memories for people during their visit here in Prague. Feel free to make a reservation and we'll see you on board.